My name's Donna, and I've come to you because I know that I need help. I live here in Oakland, have for some 45 years. I married the handsomest man in the Navy, and I have been married for 65 years, except that my husband died 2 years ago. And that has made it very, very difficult for me living alone. I do have a puppy dog, and that helps a lot. So anyway, I live in this house, which is, I would say, rather large, and it has all sorts of things about it that require good balance, good thought. But I know I don't have my coordination together anymore, and I've had a lot of falls. I feel that because of these falls, I'm losing my ability to continue with my life as I want it to be. Art is so much a part of me, and I miss being able to paint now because I can't stand up to paint. I can't put a canvas behind me and stand up and hold up my arm because I broke both arms right here in the house. I mean, it was a bad fall. I broke both arms. It limits my life so much to be afraid. There's just all sorts of things I can't do anymore, like gardening. I love to put in a pretty garden. I love to entertain. You can't enjoy the scenery as much even. I mean, if you're on a walk, you can look around and enjoy scenery and things like that. When you're thinking about your balance, all you're thinking about is walking. And if you notice, a lot of old people, when they do walk, they're like watching their feet. My doctor recommended that I try this BalanceWear. So I contacted Cindy. The first thing she did, before she even had me walk, was to touch me in different parts of my upper torso to see where I was out of balance. So this really told her a lot about the fact that I can't even stand up straight, not for more than a few seconds. She told me to walk, and she could see that I was staggering, and I looked for something to hold on to or to touch. And then I turned around and I came back, and she asked me to sit down and put on this vest. And I thought, oh, what's going on here, you know? But it was a cute little vest, so I thought, why not? And she began to touch here and touch there and put a little weight here and a little weight there. And then after she had me put it on, she asked me again to stand up and walk. Well, I tell you, it was like dipping your feet in the fountain of youth. I could feel the difference when I walked. I mean, I could feel it. It was exciting. But again, I tried to hold back a little bit because I thought, something's here. I can't believe this is so true. Oh, but then we also went up some stairs. I remember that. We didn't have the vest on that time. And I went up the stairs. Of course, I have to hold on. It's one step at a time, one step at a time. Just like at home, I have 17 steps. I have to go up and down every day dozens of times. And then she put on the vest, and immediately I went up consecutively. I could feel that I felt in balance. So much better. I felt free. She had me come back and she had me put on the vest again and stand up, and then she asked me to move my arms around. And then I know what I felt like. I felt like a bird. I mean, I was having fun. I could feel like I could hula or anything I wanted to. My whole body was just, oh, it was so exciting. It was so exciting. I thought, oh gee, hold yourself back. This isn't happening, you know. It's like instant transformation. In other words, it was so good I couldn't believe it was happening. If this continues to work the way I think it's going to, the way I have confidence that it will, gosh, this will change my life. I'll be able to paint again. I'll be able to stand up. I'll be able to take my dog for a walk without being scared. I'll be able to go into a grocery store and pick out things without worrying about losing my balance. I'll be able to have some fun again. I'm so happy that I have found this BalanceWear. Once you feel confidence that you can hold yourself upright without a cane every single minute, that's beautiful. So I'm sold on BalanceWear. I guess that's all I can say at this point, except thank you. I'm really grateful that someone has put so much of their life into trying to give life to someone else.